This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about food cones, specifically these great food cones with dipping pockets. And as you can see, we've got 4 color options here: black, white, newsprint, and picnic print, and 3 size options. There's the 9.5-inch length, the 11-inch length, and the really big and fantastic 15-inch length for when you really need a lot of fries. And they all come with a great built-in pocket. So you can see there's a little actual indent there on the top where you can grab that and just pull out. And that gives you a nice little spot there to stick in some sauce, a little bit of garnish or something else. And it really opens up when you open up those food cones. So these are made of a heavy duty paper. They're really nice and stiff and sturdy, and they're perfect for a variety of foods, both hot and cold, savory or sweet. And they will maintain their shape. And that little built-in pocket is a great place for sauces, garnishes, or just anything little extra that you want people to be able to sprinkle over. They've got a grease-resistant lining that'll keep oils and greasy fruits from soaking through the paper, keeping your guests' hands clean, meaning that they're perfect for fries, onion rings, mozzarella sticks, pretzels, donuts, things like crepes, any kind of chicken nuggets, tenders, even stuff like bubble waffles. So these are a great option for food trucks, food stalls, even cafes, bakeries, or even just caterers that are looking to have an interesting and fun service at their next event. If you want to serve any kind of hot, greasy food or a fun wrapped, rolled up sweet. And they're even great if you're looking to spice up your dinner service for a weeknight dinner at home. They're a great way to serve fries to your kids and your loved ones.